Keep your environment comfortable and quiet anytime, from anywhere, with the Pinguino Smart Portable Air Conditioner with Wi-Fi connection and smart speaker compatibility. Great for spaces up to 700 square feet, this unit's cooling and heating modes let you choose your ideal temperature. Dehumidifier and fan functions are also available when you need them. One of the most convenient things about this unit is that it's extremely portable, so you can move it from room to room. Plus, setup is simple and requires no tools, thanks to the included window kit. It's so easy to use, too. Just download the Pinguino app and remotely adjust the temperature, setting schedules, fan speeds, and modes right from your smartphone or tablet. You can even connect it to your smart speakers for simple voice control. Or just manually make changes with the light-up sensor touch panel or the included remote. Keep excess noise to a minimum by selecting the Whisper Cool option. Or use the exclusive Real Feel function for the optimal balance of temperature and humidity reduction. For added convenience, this unit is also equipped with motorized airflow control, as well as a biosilver coating that helps to prevent the growth of mold and mildew on the filter. Comfort is made easy with the Pinguino Smart with Wi-Fi connection and smart speaker compatibility Whisper Cool Portable Air Conditioner.
Cool down on those summer days or warm up when the weather turns with the Inventor Magic Portable Air Conditioner. Enjoy the best of both worlds with this 2-in-1 heating and cooling system, the ideal solution for spaces that can't have a permanent built-in unit. This multifunctional air conditioner comes with 5 functions that can heat or cool a space up to 23 meters squared. With a minimalist and contemporary space-saving design, the air conditioner sits on 4 integrated easy roller casters that swivel, so you can move it around the house without having to lift or carry it. And it comes with a remote control too, so you can create the perfect environment at the touch of a button. The bright LED display and responsive touch buttons let you effortlessly cycle between modes, set the 24-hour timer or sleep function, and select which cycle you want for the fan, speed and swing. Like all portable air conditioners, you need to vent this model to the outside to remove the hot air. That's why it comes complete with a handy window kit, including an exhaust hose and adapters that are compatible with any slider or double hung windows. And with its super efficient A+ energy rating, thanks to its eco-friendly parts and innovative self-evaporating system, it promises optimal efficiency with low energy consumption, meaning you don't have to worry about your energy bill skyrocketing. So if you're looking for an easy-to-use, flexible heating and cooling solution, the Inventor Magic Portable Air Conditioner is the perfect choice.